Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Epidemic Sound license. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. When you have a subscription, just like what I have in here under our creator plan, you don't need to download a PDF license for every single song. Okay? That's how Epidemic Sound right here comes in handy. Alright, so instead, your video is permanently cleared for copyright on connected platforms. Now, all you gotta do is just pay for a plan, okay, and then connect your platform in your account section right here under Saved List. Alright, so before that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the different plans under Epidemic Sound. Okay, so let's go ahead over to the bottom left, click on our profile, and then go ahead over to pricing. And by the way, as you can see here under Creator, licensing for social, podcast, and websites only. Now, when you go ahead over to pricing, you have these different plans, Creator, Pro, or Pro Plus. Okay, so Creator right here, this is designed for individual content creators publishing to their own channels only. One social media channel for YouTube, for Instagram, one for Facebook. I think we have 6 options right here under Creator Plan. Okay, so for Pro, you can go ahead and earn money from 3 channels per platform. It's crazy, right? When you go ahead and grab the link in the description, you can go ahead and try the free 30-day trial for Pro right here. All right, so let's talk about Pro or Business Plan right here. This one includes rights for digital ads and allows you to protect content you create for freelance clients, which is great for freelancers. And we have here Enterprise or the custom plan. This one is for larger organizations, scale teams, and broadcast or TV campaigns. And you could add in as much as 5 channels per platform right here. Now, once you have subscribed to an Epidemic Sound plan, you can now then go ahead and go to your profile, click on it, click on account, and then go ahead over to Saved List and connect each account right here. So as you can see, I'm just using the creator plan. I can only connect one of each channels. One YouTube channel, one TikTok page, Facebook page, one Twitch, one Instagram, podcast RSS feed, and one website URL. All right, again, to wrap everything up, you just need to subscribe to a plan right here under Epidemic Sound. Once done, Saved List one of your accounts, and then after that, Epidemic Sound's job right here is to reach out to each platform and tell them that your account is safe and got a license for each audio that you use, given that you are subscribed. Now you might be asking, what if I unsubscribe later on? Will my content get copyrighted? Well, to answer that, okay, any video or podcast you publish on your connected channels during active subscription remains cleared forever. I hope that's clear. Even if you decide to cancel your subscription years down the line, your past already published content will not receive copyright strikes or be demonetized. However, again, you cannot use their music in new projects after your subscription ends. There you have it. I hope that clears things out. And if you want to know more about Epidemic Sound, you gotta check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.